Once again, I am Atal from Top Atal Technology. Today I will teach you how to enhance picture quality. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. First of all, open your Capcut and click on photo editor and select your picture. Click on adjust, shine 15, brightness 30, exposure 20, contrast increase to 25, and saturation minus 25. Vibrate increase to 30, texture 0, sharpness will be 30, and structure will be minus 40, highlight also 40, and shadow it will be minus 15, temperature 15, tint will be 40, grain is not more important, leave it in 0, and fade also 0. It was adjusting of color. Now click on filter and select. You can choose different filters from here. I want to select first left, and export this picture. Click on save. It will be saved with you in gallery. Now go to your Remini, open your Remini and select that picture which you adjusted in Capcut. Now I will select that picture. Just my picture, click on enhance. Look at this picture enhancing the quality. Like as you can see, this is picture quality. You can enhance picture quality from here. Now once again click on colors. This is the color adjusting in Remini. Color adjusting. You can see everyone you want. Like you want to lightness picture, or you want to like darkness picture. Now click on face enhance. I will enhance face from here. You can see enhancing the picture in Remini. Like I will show you. Now click on save. In the top of picture you can see picture will be saved in a moment. I think my Remini has some problem. It will be take like I will save, click on save. This was little information about Capcut and also Remini. Thank you for watching video. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.